to another puzzle solve video. As promised, before New Year's, I wanted to solve this puzzle for you guys. I just picked this one up a couple weeks ago at a really cool shop in Des Moines. It's called Calypso 298, 928, something. It has those three numbers in it, I just can't remember which. I have a surprise for you in this box. So let's get right into the video.
Okay, everybody. I'm not really sure what the name of this puzzle is. It doesn't really have a name, but I thought it was really cool. It caught my eye when I first seen it. And I messed with it for probably half an hour, figuring out how it comes apart. It looks really cool though. The art on it's pretty nice looking. First thing I noticed, that moves just a tiny bit. So that was the first thing. I'm going to show you how to solve it, and then we can get to the surprise at the end of this puzzle. Oh boy, the bird. Okay, I noticed that one moved, and this one moves, but you still can't get that out or nothing. So that's where I was stuck when I was in the store, and they said to keep messing with it, I had to buy it. So we push that out, and then that'll fall. There's a little keyhole spot, and I messed around and messed around. I was trying to figure this out, and I noticed that this little piece slides out. There's your little key. Oh, the bird's going nuts tonight. This puzzle box is just the pretty aesthetic part of this video. The next part's what's going to take a little bit. Cute little mirror. That's you guys, the subscribers. This is the part I wanted to show you. One of my favorite Hanayama puzzles. Get all these pieces out. We'll put it all where we're done. So this one is called Infinity. Because it looks like an infinity symbol. Get it? Get the pun there? It's a pretty fun puzzle. Show you guys how to solve this one. So it's basically an internal maze puzzle. Spin that piece just that way, and then you gotta rotate this piece, and you just kind of fiddle with it. Let me zoom in just a little bit. You get it there. Then you kind of just got to adjust the heights a little bit so you can get the next one to turn. Okay, so that turned another click. Then you just got to go backward. Another click, and then you just go backwards again. I think this puzzle's really pretty looking because of how shiny it is. Like I said, you just gotta adjust the heights of those two just a little bit. I find it easiest to kind of just stick your fingers in the back a little bit, and then you can kind of rotate them however you please. Like that. I've been excited for this puzzle to show you guys for like weeks now, but some other puzzles came up in the meantime, so figured combine it with a puzzle box. That's the Infinity Puzzle. And it's just a fun one. Putting it back together, it's just the same moves over and over. I thought you guys might like this puzzle here. It doesn't take that long to solve, and when I first found out how it goes, I got addicted to it. I did it like 7, 8, 9 times in a row. This one's not going to take... I need to figure out something else to do for this video. This video's not going to be very long. I think maybe on my next video I might do like a timed thing where I solve some of the harder ones. Maybe like 5 or 6 of them in one video. Maybe, I don't know. Pick out my top 4 or 5 favorite ones. I don't know, let me know down in the comments what you want me to do on that. And it doesn't have to be all Hanayama puzzles, it could be some of the tavern puzzles I got. Maybe not the patience puzzle again. I don't want to do that one again for a while. Unless it's in a challenge. That's the Infinity Puzzle. Pretty simple puzzle, but I think it's like a level 5, I believe. 5 or 6. I don't know. It's really pretty looking and really shiny. I'm not going to put it back in this box, but I will put this box away. Seems so flimsy, I always think that key's going to break. And then this will be a box no more. Come up with a name in the comments for this box. Lotus flower or something. I'll let you guys name this box. Someday I might do a giveaway or something with this box. Oh, it's a really cool box. Alright guys, that's them 2 puzzles solved today. Probably the fastest video yet. Let's get to the outro. Alright, so that is the Infinity Puzzle. Or, I guess it'd be the puzzle box with a Hanayama surprise. That's going to be the name of this video. Puzzle box with a Hanayama surprise. Infinity Puzzle, it's a really fun one. I definitely recommend getting it. It's a really good fidgeting one because this piece constantly moves. And then this puzzle box, I don't even know where you could pick these up at. Transylvania art. I don't know, look that up. I've never looked it up. It's a nice little puzzle box. It looks like a nice art piece. So definitely recommend getting something like this to maybe give a ring to somebody or a bracelet or even some money. Alright guys, I will see you after the New Year's. Happy New Year's everybody. I hope you guys keep watching all these videos because I really, really appreciate it. That's all. I will see you after the first of the year. Bye, guys. I really need to come up with an outro.